Hi everyone, I'm Dana Kerigan with Kerigan Marketing Associates, coming back to you with this week's digital tips and tricks. Now, this week I want to talk to you about your business's website. Now, you probably already know that your customers can be impatient sometimes, but you might not know just how much this is affecting your website. Now, just a 1-second delay in your page loading speed can result in up to a 7% reduction in sales. That's huge. So how fast is fast enough? Well, Google says about half a second, or about the time it takes you to blink. Your website load speed is especially important on mobile. Your customers are most likely using their phone to browse your website and purchase your products. People expect instant results when they click on your website. If it takes more than 2 seconds to load, almost half of the people are going to exit out and maybe even go to your competitor's website instead. But you can quickly check your website's loading speed at this website. Now, we've linked it in the description, so you can just click there. Type in your website URL and click Analyze. In just a few minutes, you'll see just how fast your website is on desktop and mobile. If your load speed is put in the red or orange category, you might be losing customers because your site, well, it's just too slow. So how can your website catch up? If you want the Hussein Bolt of websites, you're going to have to invest in your website optimization. Now, I'm not going to bore you with all those details, but professional web developers, like the ones on our team, can make those changes to compress images, implement lazy loading, and leverage browser caching to make your website fast. Reach out to KeriganMarketing.com or email Dana@Kerigan.com to learn more about our website services.